Okay, I'm already come. It's my favorite place, and most of the time, like when I get free time, the time I love to come here. And you can see behind me, this is our pond, and we have fish also, many kinds of fish here, and and you can see, but beside the pond, this is our property, one property, and we already planted. It's called jute. You can see. So by the way, yeah, I'm in front of camera, just only show it, nothing else. There is no special reason. Guys already about me that I love to make video randomly, except any topic. See, already you aware about it. So by the way, so what should I say? I don't know. I'm just forget out. I don't know what will be better to say. So you already knew one thing, that I love to make video only for my learning purpose. So that's why it's very crucial things. So if anyone wants to be good speaker, or like fluent speaker, the guy can also make video. So it will help you a lot, because you can see your video what type of reaction, and like the people people did, and is still doing. So you can watch a video, so it's the procedure to like correct yourself. If you made mistake, you can identify. So that's why it's my recommendation that if you want to be good speaker or any content creators, you can make video, and you can see that video when it will be finished. Okay, so by the way, so I have to go now, because it's the Ramadan month. I'm fasting today, and Alhamdulillah, and the time is already finished. It's probably finished. So it's around 30 like 30 minutes later. I have to eat, because I have to break my fasting. Alhamdulillah, this Ramadan month going around the world peace. It's my I'm just praying for everyone. Allah, Allah give everyone the hidayah, and never forget out to gate salah, and say prayers and every time. Okay, so Allah Hafiz. Bye now. See you in the another video. Bye.